So removing watermark from your TikTok video using CapCut can be done with a few simple steps. So here's the process how you can do that. First of all, install your CapCut if you haven't already installed it on your device. Once you are here, you have to launch your CapCut and tap on the new project button. After skipping this ad, discover the new project option. Once you are on your new project option, so here you have to add the one of the video that has the watermark. And here you can play through the video and locate the watermark that you want to remove. So first step is that you can crop the video. You have to tap on that video clip and just go for the crop option here. Just scroll down and you will find the crop option here. Once you have find the crop option, or you can just go and just zoom that video here and you can easily remove the watermark like this. Also, you can use the overlay to cover the watermark. You have to add an overlay image or text that helps to cover this watermark. Also, you can just go and add the sticker here. Just go for the just go and here you have to just go for the sticker option and you can easily add the sticker like this.